Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through the Masonic Temple. Not that building. This building. Yeah, it's actually Masonic Temple here in Rawlins, Wyoming, and I hope you enjoy the inside of this video. Hopefully, if you're seeing this, that means I got inside, because right now it's 5 o'clock, and I think I'm the only one here. I know they're not scheduled to have a meeting here, but I think someone's going to meet me here and give me a tour of the place. So hopefully it'll be more than just one room, maybe more than just the lodge room. We're going to see. Obviously they got a shrine logo there, so I guess the Shriners meet here. My guess is this being a Masonic building, they probably got York right here, Scottish Rite, and obviously the shrine, probably Eastern Star, and maybe even a grotto. Who knows? Let's go on inside. Let's take a look around, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Well, good news and bad news. Good news is we are going to get a tour of this building. Um, it is actually owned by the Shrine. Bad news is they have already sold this building, so you probably won't be able to come here for a meeting. The regular lodges just bought a facility, and they're actually, as I speak, they're setting up the room for an actual official lodge meeting. They have not yet had an official lodge meeting in the new facility, so I don't know what all we're going to find in here. We're at least going to take a look around. I'm sure there's some Masonic markers or that sort of thing inside. So, but anyway, let's go ahead, go on inside. I called a guy, and one of the brothers, and he said he's going to let us in. So looking forward to it. All right, so we're actually inside. That's the main door over there, that direction. But there's a stairwell here that takes you downstairs, restrooms, and I'm going to show you inside this downstairs dining facility that they got down here. They got a good open space down here. You could definitely have a venue or two, and back this way is a full commercial kitchen. It just keeps on going. I can see why someone would want to buy this if they could use it to rent the space out. It's probably great for wedding receptions and that sort of thing. That's just a dark room. I don't see a light switch. I'm not going to turn any on refrigerators. So cool. Let's get upstairs. Here is the main doors, and I got a nice foyer room here. Got some artifacts of different things. Got a nice big drum, and I got a good sized conference room in here. That's actually an office for the manager, maybe the building manager. Then this is the stairwell going up to the main lodge room, and this is the nice ballroom they have up here. It looks a lot smaller from outside. I guess it's because it's got a corner entrance, but this is a good sized ballroom. You could do weddings, all kinds of stuff up in here. Nice. Good size, definitely a good size room. So now we are upstairs, and actually they had Job's daughters that would meet here, and this is actually the ladies' restroom. You don't find a lot of ladies' restrooms, especially upstairs in Masonic buildings. Wyoming chapter of Order of Eastern Star, which is still active, and you can see this is the shrine past potentates wall that they have here, sign-in area. And this would be the main lodge room. As I said, they've already pulled the furniture out of here, but they even took the past masters' pictures off the wall, so they're going to be moving those to the new facility. But you can see where our junior warden would sit, and our senior warden over there. There's our tour guide there. But look at this thing. I've never seen one of these before. That's just a really nice piece. I hope they're going to take this with them. I would think that they would. You just don't see the commandery logo here, and you got your York Rite representation over there, and a shrine, and their, of course, your Blue Lodge. And of course, they gotta come and get their G. And normally, when you see something like this is for the commandery stand. So once they get the other place renovated and maybe pull some more of the furniture out of here, this looks like this is actually set up for Eastern Star. Well, you can't see that, can you? Maybe I get some light turned on here in a minute. But it's set up for Eastern Star. And let's look at this here. This looks like a huge stadium. You don't see a lot of those. What's it say? Stadium and drill grounds. Trino Conclave and Knights Templar. Wow, Denver. Awesome. Love it. I love those big giant pictures. You just don't see those. This thing is huge. This thing is 8 to 10 feet long. It's massive. That's such a nice touch. Oh, looky. It's nice enough to get the lights on for me. These are nice pocket doors here. I love the pocket doors. But yeah, this is definitely set up for Eastern Star. You can always tell because they've got the 2 extra chairs here and they're set up. They got 4 here. Surprising that the altar is not white. I see a lot of white altars when it comes to Eastern Star, but definitely the way this arrangement here is, I know they just had an Eastern Star meeting here. Look at this old style chairs. This is definitely 70s. This is not just scream 70s. I love them. I think they're great. I got their setup, of course. You got someone in the north for Eastern Star. But yeah, they're going to move them all to the new facility when they get moved. I love the wood woodworking. A lot of these are made of tin. This print, that might be wood though. And sometimes you find that they're actually plaster. They actually mark the plaster. But this is such a beautiful ceiling. I love it. I love it. Looks great. Man, I hate that they're selling it. They're actually renovating the new place they're going into, so they're technically, they still own this and don't quite have a buyer just as of yet, but I'm sure they'll get one soon, hopefully, and get this thing sold, and they can get the other place renovated and get moved in and keep on going. But I really love the character of these older buildings. You just don't see them built like this anymore. I'm telling you, they just don't exist. And this was built back in 1908. Boy, I bet it cost a pretty penny. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you're in the area, come on, check out this lodge. That gentleman there just gave me a tour, brother. He's actually the city master of the lodge. He was a city master one time before too, but he's a city master of the lodge. But go visit them at their new facility. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.